Hey guys, so yesterday I did my front fender. I painted it. As you can see, it's all done and ready to put on. And so today I'm doing my back fender, and I've already gone ahead and taken it off. Here's the bolts and the rubber things that go between them. So I've already taken it off, and I've already washed it with soap and water. And probably most of you, if you have a dirt bug, know that you get all black stuff from the muffler there. And to get it off, what I did is I have this sponge. It's a little rough. Bought it from the dollar store, and just rubbed it up against it, and look, took it all off. So it was pretty easy actually. So I'm leaving those stickers on, and I'm gonna tape it off and then paint it the same way as I did with this, then without the stickers having paint over them. So I'll go tape it off and then show you. Alright, so now I'm done taping it off. As you can see, the stickers are all covered, and the stripes at the side, and that's the front fender that I did yesterday. So now I'm going to do the back one. I'm going to spray paint it with the first coat with the same color to gold. So I'm going to get started on that. Alright, so now I'm going to do my first coat with the spray paint. Alright, so just alright, so that's the first coat. So I'm gonna leave that to dry, and then I'm gonna do the second coat. Alright, so I let it dry for a while, so now it's time for the second coat. So shake it. Alright. Alright, so that's the second coat. So now I'm going to leave it to dry and uncover the tape, and hopefully it looks good. So I'll show you that in a minute. Alright, so I've let the second coat dry, so now it's time to take it off the tape. So I'm just going to put this down. Alright, so now I've taken off all the tape, and there it is, all painted and everything. the stickers. As you can see, works pretty good. I'm happy.